Hello mga ma'am, sir. Nandito tayo ngayon sa booth ni Brody po and I'm with Sir
Ken Lawrence, aka President Loki, and this is our booth here.
Sir, ano mga binibenta po dito, sir? We have McFarlane's.
We have McFarlane's, we have Marvel Legends, and we have a lot of different products that we are offering here in our booth. And then at the same time, we have cheapest to also expensive products. So please take the chance to visit our booth.
Alright, so yung mga ma'am, sir, punta kayo dito sa Toycon Day 1, right?
Yes, 173 to 180, yun po yung booth namin.
Okay, pero sobrang laki ng booth nila, hindi nyo mamimiss to. So you have, yun, ganda nun, no? Punisher.
Yan, ay kumuha rin ako niyang Thunderbolts na yan.
Sobrang ahang siya.
Lason rin ako dyan.
Ano na ba? Ayun, 5,200 pesos. Available yun dito. Ilan stock niyan, sir?
Actually, one stock na lang yan. Last stock kasi kumuha rin ako. Sorry, guys. Kumuha rin ako eh.
Sobrang lason kasi.
Oo.
Saka ang daming accessories yan. Tingin ko yung isa sa pinakamagandang release ng ML.
Actually, inaabangan ko yung edit mo niyan.
Oh!
Kasi you're famous with doing the Punisher line. So, I'm just really waiting for your content to just improve that Hulkbuster. So, you know, I hope we could have something to work on after this.
Okay, let's go. Sige. Game tayo dyan. Pero yun, pumunta kayo dito mga ma'am, sir. Ang ganda ng mga products nila. So you have Funko Pop, Kaiju number 8. Meron pa sila mga Grandista Wolverine set.
Yes.
Deadpool Wolverine set. Maganda rin. Pero ang Blade? Ayun, si Blade.
Blade, yeah.
Blade. Tapos meron din silang Batman, McFarlane. Ito maganda to. It's from The Dark Knight.
The Dark Knight, yung matanda na siya.
So, ganda yan. The Dark Knight Returns. And they also have yung mga individual pieces like this, yung mas affordable.
Yeah.
Superman Justice League. Figure lang, walang any accessories pero sulit sa price, 850 lang.
It's a nice blister pack. Pero ito yung pinaka-hottest item namin dito sa Bro Depot. Ito yung Super Friends na ino-offer ng McFarlane as of today. So nire-revive nila yung TV show and provide a new way of entertaining collectors as of today.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga ng packaging din, very retro, very nostalgic, look at the colors, and also yung figures, ganda rin, articulated din naman siya. Look at the, very vibrant yung colors niya, and also look at the Black Manta design.
Yeah.
Very retro, nostalgic, vibrant colors. Ito si Aquaman ba to?
Yeah, si Evil Aquaman.
Oh, ayun nga no. Basta. Tapos meron sila mga gashapon, right? Gashapon
Yeah. This is we're selling this for set for 3,850 set of 4. So this is one of the hottest items that we provide here. But para lang to sa mga super completionists, yung parang gusto talaga kumompleto ng ganda.
Okay, nice. Ganda. Meron din silang pixel pets.
Yan. Isa yan sa mga
Pets.
popular brand namin.
1,500 only. Paano yung Tamagotchi?
Yes, more than Tamagotchi.
More
Kasi
than
parang
Tamagotchi.
molded na yung figure eh.
Ganda. May mga Pokeballs. Ito sir, ano laman ito? Mga maliliit
Yan po.
Ganda. And, ito, meron silang Tamagotchi
Yes, sir. We also offer the original Tamagotchi rin.
Kuromi version. Ano sa po? Magkano ito sir?
So, we're only selling that for 1,400.
1,400 only. Ito pa mga products.
Ano lang kasi, at the end of the day, I'm just an employee here.
Yeah, ito, marami pa. We have Larsen. Meron kayong Warhammer?
Wala, pero nagsistart na ako mag-Warhammer rin ngayon. Naglalaro ka?
Personal collection. Ay, mas maliliit.
Hindi, yung Joy Toy.
Joy Toy ka, okay.
Nag-start kasi ako maglaro nung
Nalason ka.
Oo.
Nalason si Sir Kane.
Yung War Machine, ano yan? Space Marine 2.
Space Marine. Nice. Okay, nice. So yun sir, promote mo ulit si Bro Depot and meron akong gift para sa'yo.
Okay, thank you. Again, my name is Ken Lawrence. I'm the product specialist here in Bro Depot, and we are inviting you to have a chance to meet us, and maybe you could take the chance to get our products here in Toycon. So our booth is located in 173 to 180. We are partnered with Planet of the Apes.
Right, so thank you Sir Ken. Dahil dyan, meron akong regalo sa'yo.
Ay, meron pa boss. Gusto ko naman.
Yes sir, meron.
Okay, wow.
Blind pick tayo ng
Okay.
artwork cards. Ito yung mga
Sige.
artwork natin. Papa-blind pick natin siya. Pili ka, sir.
Kukunin ko yung 1 billion yung halaga
Isa lang.
after 10 years.
Lang. Tignan natin kung ano makuha niya.
Okay, it's Siberian now.
Uy!
He-Man!
He-Man, Master of the Universe, baby!
Hey! He-Man, sakto ah.
Ayos!
Sa movie ah. He-Man, let's
So
go.
signed
Signed din. Yup, signed.
personally by Sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey!
Okay, okay.
Ay, sabihin na natin yung project natin.
Oh, sige, sige, sige.
Okay. Tapos ito yung project collaboration product namin with Brody Po, X Rain Cifra, Kami ng Jada Toys. Thank you very much, Sir Ken. Gagawa tayo ng video tungkol dyan. And hopefully, ma-custom repaint natin yan very, very soon. Okay? Punta na kayo dito, day 1 pa lang. Marami pang mangyayari. Day 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Okay,